Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the algebraic method for solving the pair of linear equation in two variables. We have three different methods. One is substitution method, another is elimination method, and the last one is cross multiplication method. Let us try to understand these three methods with a common example. For that, let me take a pair of linear equation x plus y equals to 14 and x minus y equals to 4. I will solve this pair of linear equation in two variables by three different methods. First, let me go with the substitution method. In this method, we are substituting one variable in another and getting the value. So I will call this as equation 1 and equation 2. Here I can select any one of the equation. If I am selecting equation 1, which is x plus y equals to 14, I will just try to get y in terms of x. For that, I will just write it as y is equals to 14. I will send x on RHS, it will be 14 minus x. So this will be equation number 3. So I have to substitute this y equals to 14 minus x in equation number 2, not in equation number 1. This is an important step. This is y equals to 14 minus x. This we have to substitute in equation number 2. So substituting in equation number 2, equation 2 will become as, this is x minus y. So x as it is minus of y we are substituting with 14 minus x, which is equals to 4. Let us simplify this. X minus, open the bracket, minus 14 minus will be plus x equals to 4, or this will be x plus x is 2x. 14 sent on RHS, it will be 4 plus 14, or x equals to 14 plus 4 is 18 divided by 2, which is 9. Once we get the value of x as 9, again you put in equation number 3, which will give us the value of y. So equation 3, it will become as, so y is equals to 14 minus of x is 9, so 14 minus 9, it will be 5. In the substitution method, we are substituting one variable in another. It is not necessary that you have to consider equation number 1 and getting the value of y in terms of x and putting back in equation 2. You can consider equation number 2 first. Let us try in other way. If I consider equation 2 as first, so my y will be x minus y equals to 4. So y, it will be y equals to y, if you send on RHS, it will be plus. So y is equals to x minus 4. This will become my equation number 3. Now you need to substitute this y equals to x minus 4 in equation 1, not in equation number 2. So equation 1, it will become as, so x plus y is again x minus 4, which is equals to 14. So open the bracket, x plus x, it is 2x minus 4 equals to 14, or 2x equals to 14 plus 4, or x equals to 18 by 2, which is again 9. Now substitute this in equation 3. So y is equals to, x is 9 minus 4, which is 5. We'll get the same answer. Now I will solve the same pair of linear equation by elimination method. In elimination method, we are eliminating one variable and trying to get the value of other. So let me use the same equation, that is x plus y equals to 14 and x minus y equals to 4. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We need to add the equations, we need to add it. So here what we need to do is we have to decide which variable we are trying to eliminate. First you want to eliminate x or you want to eliminate y, that we have to decide. Let me eliminate y. So when I want to eliminate y, one should be positive, another should be negative. So here this is positive, this is negative, directly I will cut it, it will be 0. So x plus x, it is 2x, and 14 plus 4, it is 18. I get x equals to 18 by 2, which is 9, which is 9. Okay, so now this x equals to 9 you can substitute in any one of the equation, in any one of the equation. Let me substitute this x equals to 9 in equation 2. So it will be x, that is we need to put the value of x as 9 minus y equals to 4, or y on RHS it will be plus, and this is minus 4. So y equals to 5, y equals to 5. It is not necessary that we have to eliminate first y only, you can eliminate x also. So let me try to eliminate x first. In the other way I am trying to solve it. X plus y equals to 14 and x minus y equals to 4. So these two are the equation, we need to add it. As I said, we have to eliminate one variable. For the elimination of one variable, one should be positive, another should be negative. So in this case you can see both are positive only. So to make any one of the equation as negative, so what I will do, I will just change the sign. Actually what we are doing is we are multiplying with minus 1. So this is plus means it will be minus, so this is minus means it will plus, and it is plus means it is minus. Okay, so 1 plus x minus x, it will get cancelled, it will be 0. This is plus y and this is another plus y, it will be 2y. Plus 14 minus 4, it will be equals to 10. So y is equals to 10 by 2, which is 5. Now this y you can substitute anyone in any one of the equation. Either you substitute in equation 1 or equation 2, you will get the same answer. So let me substitute in equation 2. So it will be x minus y, y is 5 equals to 4, or x equals to, it will be plus 5, this is equals to 9. You will get the same answer, x equals to 9 or y equals to 5. Okay, so here in this we have the component of x as 1 and component y as 1. So it is simple. Suppose if we have some other values, I mean like say 2x plus 4y equals to 2, and say 4x plus 3y equals to say some value 6. Now in this case, as we said, we are eliminating one variable. You have to select any one. So let me select, I want to eliminate x. In that case both should be same, and but it should be opposite sign, means equation 1 will be plus, equation 2 it will be minus, or this is plus and this is minus, it may be anything. Okay, my main objective is to eliminate it. To eliminate, what I have to multiply here, I have to make it the same thing. So this variable I have to make it the same. So when I multiply this equation with 4 and this equation with 2, I will get same 8x and 8x. Okay, so let us multiply. 4 will be multiply with 2x, which is 8x, plus 4 into 4y, it will be 16y, and 4 into 2, it is 8. So 2 into 4, again it is 8x, plus 2 into 3y, it is 6y, equals to 12. Now both are positive, I have to make one of them to negative. So let me make this as negative. So minus, this is minus, and this is minus. This will get cancelled. I will left with plus 16y minus 6y. It will be 10y is equals to 8 minus 12. So it will be minus 4, or y equals to minus 4 by 10. This will be minus 0.4, minus 0.4. You can substitute this y equals to minus 0.4 in any one of the equation. You will get the value of x. Okay, the main objective of the elimination method is you have to eliminate any one of the variable. As you know that in a pair of linear equation we have two variables, one is x, another is y. So you have to eliminate any one of the variable. To eliminate one of the a variable, so one equation should be in positive, another equation it should be in negative. Okay, so when you want to make anything to zero, like say 1 plus 1 and minus 1, it will be equals to 0. In the same way, one equation should be positive, another equation it should be negative. Let me solve the same pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method, which is quite simple. For that, we no need to remember the formula. I will give you one trick how to come to that formula. Only thing we have to remember is we have to write x, y, and 1. And next thing, in next line we have to write b, c, a, b. Okay, so remember this x, it will come in between b and c, and y it will come in between c and b, and 1 it will come between sorry, b, c, a. This is a b. 1 it will come between a and b. Same thing you write in the next line, b, c, a, b. Okay, now you write 1 1 1 1, and you write this as 2 2 2 and 2, and you just draw the arrows in this manner, all arrows to the downward, all arrows to the downward. Now all arrows to the upward, all arrows to the upward. Now write down x divided by you multiply this arrow, I mean b1 into c2, it will be b1 into c2. Arrow going from down to up, I will take it negative, so it will be b2 c1. b2 c1 is equals to, in the same manner, y divided by c1 a2, c1 a2, arrow from down to up, I will take it as minus c2 a1, and the last 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, so you have to equate first and last, and you have to equate second and last. So first and last, when I equate, x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So x is equals to, cross multiply, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, this is x. Similarly, y, you equate second and last, y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So y is equals to c1 a2, cross multiply, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, this is how we get y. It is very simple, no need to remember these two formula. Only thing what we need to remember is, we have to remember this representation, x, y, and 1. Write B C A B. Again you write B C A B, and you write 1 1 1 1. Write 2 2 2 2. Then all down arrows. Then all arrows upwards. Right. So next thing is x divided by b1 into c2, and all arrows towards upward I will take it as negative, so it will be x divided by b1 c2 b1 c2 and minus of b2 c1 minus of b2 c1. Okay, so y divided by c1 a2 c1 a2 minus of c2 a1, and 1 divided by a1 b2 a1 b2, this a1 a1 b2 and minus of a2 b1 a2 b1. Okay, so how to get x and y here? For that I should know what are a1 b1 c1 of this equation and a2 b2 c2 of this equation. Okay, let me write here only. So a1 it is 1, b1 it is 1, c1 it is minus 14, because we know the general form of equation is a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equals to 0, a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 equals to 0. In this general form we need to write the equation, the given equation. So what will be this 14? It will be coming towards left hand side, so it will be minus 14. So a1 is 1, b1 is again 1, and c1 is minus 14. Similarly, a2 for second equation 1, b2 is minus 1, c2 4, it will come on LHS, it will be minus 4. It will be minus 4. Okay, so now after coming to this formula, just substitute the value of b1 c2 b2 c1 and simplify it. Okay, let us try to do. So b1 is 1, c2 is minus 4, minus of b2 is minus 1, and c1 is minus 14, divided by a1 is 1, b2 is minus 1, sorry, this is minus 1 into the bracket, minus of a2 is 1, and b1 is plus 1. Okay, so this will be minus 4, minus into minus plus, again this will be minus, so minus of 14 divided by, this is 1 minus 1, it will be minus 1, this is minus 1, it will be minus 18 by minus 2, so 2 ones are 2 nines are, so x equals to 9. Similarly, you put all the values in this y. Okay, so c1 y equals to c1 is minus 14, and b2 is minus 1, minus of c2 is minus 4, and a1 is 1, divided by a1 is plus 1, b2 is minus 1, minus of a2 is plus 1, b1 it is again plus 1. Okay, so this will be minus of minus, it will be plus 14, and this is minus of minus, it is plus it is plus. Okay, okay, sorry, here a2 is plus 1, a2 is plus 1, so this will be minus 14, minus 14, so minus into minus, it is plus 4 divided by minus 1, and this is minus 1, so this will be minus 10 divided by minus 2, so 2 5s are, so value of y is 5. Okay, you can check with the substitution method. We got the value of x as 9 and y as 5. In elimination method, we got the value of x as 9 and y as 5. And again, in cross multiplication method, we'll get the same value, x as 9 and y as